In step 6, we're going to work on the following tasks, including a review, business, essentials, marketing, questions and answers. All right, so in step 6, we're going to cover getting your legal documents in order. Still, more legal documents. We're going to take a look at some details of the legal library of documents and forms that we have for InterNACHI members. How to get free legal advice, some really good legal videos, using electronic signatures in your inspection agreements, adding credibility, answering the phone successfully, tips for inspecting the HVAC system, testing yourself, defining 4 types of defects to include in your inspection reports, lining up your services to your client's needs, marketing to real estate agents, offering oversee it services, adding 1 website feature, and offering a free safe home book. All right, so those are the things that we're going to go over in step 6.